For our first event, I'm looking forward to giving the teams that we make the posters for their respective posters because I love seeing their reactions, and that's just kind of what drives me to continue this sub team because it just makes people happy in general, and I like seeing that.
I'm the programmer, one of the programmers, so I've been working on getting the robot code ready for when we eventually receive the robot today. And I've also been working in the background a lot with our vision software that we're testing out.
We disassembled our prototypes and we just built our competition bots drivetrain.
This week, I worked on prepping the batteries for electrical, making sure that they're all ready for the competition season when we have our robot. And then not only that, I started refining the impact award this week with my team. We even met with another team that gave us some pointers on what we could work on. So that's what I've been doing this week.
So far it's been going pretty good. I've just been kind of doing videos and other like social media posts. I've been learning a lot about FRC and meeting a lot of super cool people on our FRC team. And yeah.